there are two subjects. One is Guru Stuti, the true master's praise, and another one is Satguru kya karta hai? What does true master do?
Yeah.
The first one is the true master's praise. गुरु चरण में शीश झुका दिन रात करूं पूजा सेवा. I bow my head in the feet of true master. I do worship and service to him.
Yes. So here, what he say? I think that the true master is all and everything. I bow my head and pray to him that you accept you, there nothing equal to you. You are all and everything. As Aiji Sahib came, you are God, you are God. And I say, you are God. So he wholeheartedly think that true master is the God of the goddess. Except this, there no God other. He is here in this land. We can see him, can talk him, and you can ask him. And the God the above, that is unable to our approach. There is no approach at all. What is the talk? He is the master of the master, Guruji, East, ideal.
गुरु स्तुति नित करूं मन में गुरु सम कोई और नहीं दूजा. With wholeheartedly I praise true master. There is no one like and equal to true master.
So you say, I wholeheartedly pray to Guru. Guru means ideal. That is equal to him, there is nothing, nobody in this world except us. Yes.
गुरुदेव ने की जो दया भव सिंधु से पार किया मुझको. With the mercy of kind-hearted true master, I became detached from body, mind and soul, means the region of white light.
He says, equal Guru, there nobody other. He, in every side, I was in the sea of the world, and here not no way that he crossed to me. The ocean is of this the world. He easily cross me. Yeah.
नहीं वार रहा नहीं पार रहा सब भांति अपार किया मुझको. I became boundless. I realized myself. Means I realized that I am a small part of super being.
I understood that. He said, I understood, and I am all and everything, and he gave me the help with this. It means that he thinks all and everything the true master. Not God equal to him, because God is super being is there. We are the part of that. But he will not useful for us. We cannot approach to him. And Guru, he is a man like us, and tell all and everything, so is equal to him, there is nothing, anything, yes.
गुरु दाता दानी अपार महा याचक जग जीव हुए सारे. True master is the greatest donor and generous, and all the people of the world ask for knowledge in front of him.
He says, if the praise is the same, equal him, there is nothing anybody.
Donor and generous. Data Dani.
Generous. He give all his Data Dani.
And all the people of the world ask for knowledge in front of him.
Yeah.
गुरु अर्थ देत गुरु धर्म देत गुरु काम मोक्ष देने हारे. The true master gives wealth, religion, fulfills all worldly desires and salvation.
The true master gave me all everything, what he did here. Earth, wealth, health, wealth, peace, and all and everything he gave. All what man wanted, that all supply him. Equal to him, there is nothing. Yes.
गुरु महिमा जाने ना ऋषि मुनि शिव सारद शेष की पार नहीं. All the sages and saints do not know the glory of the true master, and even goddess like Shiv, Sarad and Shesh are unable to understand him.
All are trying to understand him, and equal to him that they are nothing. It means praising that except the Guru there is nothing anybody. Guru, living man, living master, a man like us, and to whom you think like that, then you will get all and everything. Because actually he is. You can talk to him. You come here, you can ask me. Suppose that I am here, so you are taking me, I am actually not true master, but you think that he is true master and all and everything. So you can ask me, sir, this is how this is, how this is. He is asking a direct question. I can tell you, but God, we have no approach at all.
संसार अपार की प्रीति छूटी, गुरु भक्ति सम कुछ सार नहीं. I became detached from the attachment to boundless world, and there is nothing true abstract like the devotion of true master.
I became detached. It means that I thought that none is mine. Equal to him and accept him, there is none. He is only one. Detached. Detached means no relation. I understood that nobody goes with me. I myself come alone and will go there. So who will be accompany me? I mean, he, Guru. Guru's jnana, Guru's knowledge go with us. Not Guru himself go, but his knowledge which he imparted me, that go with me. Here.
गुरु भक्ति सम कुछ सार नहीं. There is nothing like true abstract, the devotion of true master. बहु व्रत किए बहुदान दिए, बहु तीर्थ में जाकर भटके. I did lot of fast, gave donation and wandered in lot of pilgrimages.
I gave all and everything. The Karam Kand you say here, the all the thing I did, but except Guru, obey to Guru, equally is that thing, anything. Obey him.
गुरु चरण में प्रीत नहीं, यम जाल में सो निस दिन लटके. Those who don't have love and attachment to the true master's feet will remain in anxiety, pain and unhappiness day and night.
Not this fit is the true master charan. Guru charan कहते हैं सफेद white light. White light is the leg of the Guru, and his swarup is, his sakar is
Sound.
Sound is in you.
What does true master do? सतगुरु क्या करता है? बलिहारी जाऊं सतगुरु के, मेरा दरस परस भरम भागा. I surrender and give respect to true master, because by seeing him and by asking him questions, to him my all illusions went away.
Do you follow it? The Guru is all that says. Say it again.
बलिहारी जाऊं सतगुरु के, मेरा दरस परस भरम भागा. I surrender.
Surrender the Satguru, the true master. Because to seeing him, I have so much doubt, escaped away.
Went away. I surrender.
भरम बाजा, धर्मराज से तिनका तोड़ा, जम दुश्मन से
दूर किया.
Is it?
Yes.
Dharmaraj, it means to whom I suppose that he is God, that I detach from that. Why? The true master told that I am not coming, this and that. There you alone go. This sound is go with you. Dharmaraj said, Dharmaraj himself tell him that I do not go with you. You create me. So you go further, and even the sound internal, that will accompany you. Dharmaraj Chaitanya Kathoda. No connection.
Yes.
At last, Jam Dushman se dur kya. What are the trouble? All free from that. Because when I get knowledge, no fear for. There is nothing, anything. This is illusion. All the illusion. The Dharmaraj will come and catch him, this and that, give punishment, this and that. So you do this. So that was the only to saying the man, but that was the all.
Yes. He detached me from all my false individual belief, and he saved me from all anxiety, pain, unhappiness and fear.
Understood? He make me free from that, detached from that. Dharmaraj, to whom I was thinking all and everything, from him also away. That thing told the perfect master. He was very true. They say the men understand this all, that at the time of dying, if my safe come to him, then he cannot go beyond gravitation of land. Heavy. The things which he talking is there no weight in it. And if I take the photos or that is weight, so he cannot. So the Guru said that you don't teach, take me with you. Otherwise you will not be free. So how to be? You forget I am not this. Let sound. You go the sound and you go. This secret Guru open before the good disciple.
Yes, Maharaj. Maharaj, will you please tell me what is Dharmraj and what is Yamraj?
Dharmaraj is those who give you trouble, and those who give pleasure, happiness, already there. And that means you give pain. So here one man who is helping you this and that is Dharmaraj. Dharmaraj is always helping, and the Zamir that always they give trouble.
Yes. Bad dreams are also Yamraj. Bad dreams we see in the night.
All kind of the fear is Zamdusun.
Yes.
And free from all the fear, this and that is Dharmaraj.
So Yamraj means all kind of anxiety and fear, pain, and whatever negative we feel in ourselves is Yamraj is giving us all that thing. So he's always on a punishing part. He punishes us with that. And Dharamraj is who is taking care of us.
What she is asking.
She wants to know that what is Dharmraj and what is Yamraj again. Please explain in detail.
Dharmaraj means you pleasure all type of the pleasure. All type of the pleasure. Happiness, this and that, health and wealth and all everything. And Dharmaraj is always give you fear. It's beating. If you do the beat, you tell that why did you do this sin? Being subordinate and trying time. Same thing. You can say about bad
thoughts, bad thoughts and bad deeds.
That is the trouble,
Yamraj.
or good deed that gives a pleasure. You say that, you change the word. Yes, you understood it.
Sabd pan parwana dina kag karam taj hans kiya. He told me the way to realize the real name, the God sound, and because of his knowledge I left all bad deeds and deceitful deeds. He made me such a person who receives only virtues.
Yes. Who?
The
Dharmaraj.
true master.
True master.
Yes.
True master is Dharmaraj.
Yes.
Your ideal is Dharmaraj. To whom you make your ideas, he is all and everything is Dharmaraj. And those who are give you trouble, every Sunday he is giving trouble, that is Dharmaraj. In what is life? Those who give you trouble in the house, husband, wife, or anything, that is Dharmaraj. Bad luck. And those who give you help all side, always with you, that is the East. That is the ideal. Dharmaraj. Dharmaraj means ideal, to whom you think that you are God. Understood?
Did you understand?
You gentlemen. What you understood before that?
There is one part which give negative thoughts, come from bad deeds, and there's one part who is giving good radiations. This is the Isht, the master.
Correct. When negative thought is come, the conclusion is that. In very, very short.
Maharaj ji, but why we say Dharamraj se tinka todya? Why we don't say that Yamraj se tinka todya? When Dharamraj is Dayal and our Isht and a true master, then why do we say that Dharamraj se tinka todya? उनसे तो हमारा संबंध बन जाता है, मतलब सद्गुरु हमें संभालने आते हैं.
Understood. Dharmaraj himself told the disciple that when you see my face, I do not come. Gentlemen, you make. If you, at the dying time, you keep my photo in front of you, my
Safe
face,
forum. Yes.
then you won't go to the destination. Because you are heavy and there is no weight. This experience did some of the countries' scientists previously. Somebody was dying at that time. This science the scientific. So according to that, he is explaining himself Dharmdas himself say that you told connection, start connection. I will not do the thing that. You make me. No power. So, if you take my photos with you, you do not go. You do not cross the gravitation of land. It pull because it's heavy. So,
because of attachment.
attachment. Attachment को सब छोड़ दो. तो Dharmdas himself told him. Dharmdas himself told to the disciple that you create me. I do not have to know. You create to me. And if you die time you keep that my photo or that thing, you cannot go there. Tinakathada means connection, cut the connection. To thinking with Ramraj, understood, but you all come over here and listen this soundly, internal. Then you breathe. Dharmdas himself told this to the disciple, that you do not keep in me. Whatever you think, that's all. Your work is what you completed. No. And the reality is this. The reality is this, that I do not go there. I do not come. You make me. So you total connection from me. At dying time, if you have connection with me, you won't go there. Yes.
But there is one thing, as we are not able to reach the light and sound, so till that moment we have to be with Dharmraj. We have to be with true master, saved.
But when you come in this worldly life, you respect him the same way. If you are going here, there, it is saying that is for that
For salvation.
that there is salvation. And when you come in this world, then you do the drama. You have soul the attachment. Oh, you are my dear son. He is my elder son. He is my younger son. This and that, like that. You praise him because we have to live here. Up to dying time, we need the other man. So he says that in satsang, perfect master will explain you. Okay, you need them. You don't escape, go away, and begging this and saranam. No, you are near living. The true religion is you are near living and you eat that. If you take the food of begging, what kind of food he is? Suppose that he has stolen. Suppose he have deceased somebody and bring in the home. So that you will not go there.
Maharaji, what if we have not reached to sound and current, sound and light, and before reaching to sound and light, our life ends?
Yes.
So at that time, should we keep the face of our true master with us? We should keep our attention towards.
That is something else.
Okay.
Suppose that you come. You say, sir, 20 years ago I took the name.
No.
And still nothing is happened here. Yeah. I see your face and look at your age, I think that you are 70 years old.
Yeah.
All is gone from you. Yeah. The vast body, there is no semen. And you are unable to go there. Then what I say, you give up all the practice, all the exercise, intergoing. You believe only. You believe only to that he to anybody, to make one ideal and believe in him. Not to Rama, no, nothing. Not do anything. Believe in him. All and everything you will go. Because he understood that he is unable to do that thing. So if he is doing like that at dying time, he has the same faith, so he will go born again in such a place so that everything will be ready. And other what he have to do the practice, that will do here.
Okay. Hanji.
Follow me?
Hanji.
No, not?
I followed you well.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Yes. Next is Guru ki meher se agam nigam lak bin gur koi na mukt bhaya. By the grace and help of true master, I came to know what is knowledge and what is ignorance. Without the knowledge of true master, no one will reach to the salvation while living.
Yeah. Guru ki meher se.
Yes.
By the kindness of Guru. By the kindness of Guru, I understood what is nigam and agam.
What is knowledge?
Knowledge in that.
Yes.
What is nigam and agam? Nigam means ignorance. Agam means knowledge. So by the Guru ki kripa, by the help of the Guru, I understood this. This is the Sat, that is true and that is wrong. This is the good thing, that is the bad thing. Agam Nigam. Agam means knowledge.
knowledge.
Nigam means
Ignorance.
ignorance. Yes.
गुरु बिन कोई न मुक्त भया.
Without knowledge, none is get salvation. Salvation from everything. Living salvation means that you know all the other attachment useless, nothing. You are salvation. From the family, from the friend, all and everything, you think that there is good, but none will go with me. I alone come empty hand and will go empty hand. You understand that?
कहें कबीर सुनो भई साधो आवागमन से राख लिया.
Kabir say, they suno, my duty, my disciples, listen me. Without Guru, without knowledge, none is be happy, none is mukt, none is yet salvation. Without Kabir says, kahe Kabir suno bhai sadhu. Listen my follower, listen my disciple. Without Guru, without knowledge, none is free from this life, all attachment. Guru mein jnana, knowledge is necessary.
आवागमन से राख लिया.
Avagan means born and work here and death and again born and Avagan.
कहें कबीर सुनो भई साधो आवागमन से राख लिया.
Coming, going, say, very from I free, I will not come again. Avagam means that coming birth, death, and again work, and death, again death, again death. So for that you keep me away. I am out of this. I not come. At the last time I go and mix with the Supreme Being.
Yes. Kabir says, listen dear disciples, in this way the true master saved me from the cycle of
Yes.
death and rebirth.
Birth. Yes.
Yes. It's over, Maharaj ji. Complete.
Anything to ask me?
महाराज कर्म योग और ज्ञान योग एंड भक्ति योग, ये तीन योग हैं.
हाँ ये तब सही.
अब इसमें से विच इज द इजीएस्ट योग टू रीच द पाथ ऑफ सेल्वेशन? These three yogas, which is the easiest path out of these three yogas, wherein one can reach the salvation point?
No, Lord. Three yoga, karma yoga.
Karma yoga.
When you do duty, you have to full concentration duty. Suppose that you are a mess, क्या कहते हैं मिस्त्री को? Mess. You are make a building. So there are so many laborers there, and there are 3-4 men ideal sitting, about talking Rajniti, political sense. The chief minister, Pradhan Minister did this and that. You had today's news, this and that, and the message there. So he do not understand them. Yoga means karma yogi. He is karma yogi. Come on, bring the cement, bring the brick, and go there and down, and do this. And they are talking here. He only concentrated in the mind. That is called the karma yoga. Whatever karma you do, whatever duty you do the duty and not think about the family, not think about the other thing. He is so concentrated, so meditated. This is the karma yoga. And he will improve this, that. By this method you will suppose that I am a servant of a private shop in cloth merchant. He says, bring this and this. I go and all the time to do like that. He will be happy. The man who go to buy something, come on there, please take. And he has no other thing thinking like that. Not home, not friend, not nothing. You concentrate fully. This is called karma yoga. In any field of life. Any field of life you are working, you concentrate. Whatever work you do, you concentrate. So you know about the house and this and that, your mind is concentrated. This is called karma yoga. Karma means whatever you do, duty first, religion after. In duty time you don't think about religion or nothing. You do the work. So that is nothing ideas, other idea come to you and you are meditated. Understood?
That's true.
What I told you, what you understood. What I told.
Doing your work, whatever work you are supposed to do that work with full attention.
Wholeheartedly.
Full attention, wholeheartedly,
Yeah.
with no distractions here
Yeah.
and there.
Maharaj ji, Aiji Sahib was asking, there are three yoga, there are three kinds of yoga. One is Karam Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and Jnana Yoga.
Yes.
So which is the best yoga to reach the salvation?
In the beginning, the Karma Yoga. If you do not Karma Yoga, then you won't do anything.
Yes.
You don't learn. When your mind is not concentrated in the work, then how you can meditate?
And if you are in bhakti all the time,
Hmm.
then who will do the karma?
Bhakti means to live. Bhakti means do nothing. He surrender all and everything. Oh God, you know. Bhakti Yoga means I surrender. I surrender to Him. That is that necessary.
So karma yoga is the best that way because
Huh.
you have to work also.
But you go come, rebirth again. Carry on. But if you are Jnana Yoga, you want to come back.
That is knowledge.
That is knowledge. The last is Jnana Yoga. Gita say that the Jnani is like me, more than you. You go in the world and ask to the Jnani. Jnani are equal to he is my own. As I, he is like that.
Maharaji, can I seek salvation while living? Or I will seek salvation after my death?
Aiji Sahib is saying that you talk of salvation, moksha की बात करते हैं आप. तो salvation is while living in this body or salvation is after death?
Salvation in living. Living if you go for die. Nobody yet come for die to come tell anything. But in living you can say that I am in salvation. I have detached totally. I know suppose the one of the relative died, so mother died, brother died, I don't weep because I have knowledge. Those who burn, they will go away only. This is game, this is nothing.
And Maharaji, I am told that a guru's blessings, if they are there, even without doing any of these karmas, one seeks and finds salvation.
What they say?
He is saying that the faith in the true master, and if the true master give blessing that you will reach the salvation, then the disciple has do nothing. He has to do nothing. He will reach the salvation with blessings of the master only.
And that is
Blind faith.
blind faith.
Blind faith.
Blind faith. In blind faith you get the body thing, whatever you want. Whatever you want, you get blind faith. That is only the Guru like this, and that will right. So you will get all of this. But you are not free from the life. The Jnana Yoga, it means that is blind faith. Very good. It must be. He need not to do anything. You say, you are the God, no, you get all and everything, whatever you want. But cannot be free from that.
And Maharaji, while finding a true guru, we go here and there, we go to so many gurus. And all the time, we are confused. Maybe because of not taking right decision at the right time to choose the right guru. So we are all the time confused, and finding a real true guru is a matter of chance or is a matter of choice.
That's it. So loudly speak.
Aiji Sahib is saying a seeker wants a true guru, and he go here and there in search of him, and suddenly he met the true master. So what is the reason behind? Is it by chance, or is there something else? Is it because of their past karmas or present karmas?
It is result of your strong desire, wish. You have strong demand. What you demand, so will you fulfill. If you have no demand, nothing will get. There is godly power in you. Your demand will take the right. You want the perfect master, and you have loved that. What is the qualification of this? Is say,
विषयन से जो होए उदासा, परमारथ की जामन आशा, धन संतान प्रीत नहीं जाके, जगत पदार्थ चा नहीं ताके, तन इंद्री आसक्त नहीं होई, भूख नींद आलस जिन खोई, खोज विरह बाण जिन हृदय लागा, खोजत फिरे साध गुरु जागा, साध फकीर मिले जो कोई, करे सेवा करे दिल जोई, ऐसी करनी जाकी देखे, आप आए सतगुरु तिस मिले.
Those who think like that, desire for the meet to the perfect master, the perfect master himself come and meet to him. Strong desire. You need not to go here, there. When I give satsang, the satsang, there so many ladies are sitting. I say, you cannot go, sister there. You need not to go outside to search the Guru. You desire for that. Oh God, bless me, any true Guru, so he come meet. Your desire will bring it through your brother, through your sister, through your husband, like that, and come to home. Your strong desire will bring it. You are at home. You need not to go. Do you get it?
One question, Maharaji.
Yeah.
When we are in your presence, like the gentleman said, it is quite very easy to concentrate. And we get your radiation, and this makes everything very easy. Can we get the same when we are far away from you, not gazing at you? For example, when we are in Germany, if we have a lot of bhakti and we remember you, can we get the same radiation being far away? Does distance matter?
He is saying when he is in front of you, he is getting your radiation, he is receiving your radiation, and his mind is concentrated. This is okay here. But when he go back home in the Germany, can he will be able to receive the same kind of radiation? How is the way he received these radiation there also?
I understand. Actually, leaving Guru is necessary. Because you are living in Germany and living there, you can talk to telephone, ask him. Living, not the past Guru. Suppose the Guru died, he is not more, he cannot give you knowledge. So living Guru, that is written in the Radha Swami page, this is a great thing. The living master is very necessary. He must be in body. He will impart you true knowledge. You can consult him, discuss him, ask question him. The living master is very necessary first. But when you understood everything from living master, he given all knowledge to you, then knowledge is Guru. If you pass away, you don't see God never die. God never die. God means यहाँ पर knowledge. So knowledge never die. Suppose my Guru, in his lifetime I understood everything, and when I die, I have no weeping the thing. But there is my one friend who was also deceased. He began to weep. Oh, Guruji died badly, bitterly. I wrote in home and at my house and explained him. Hey, Guru never die. Guru means Gyan. Why are you dying? He is always with you. You believe in him. The Guru is with me, always with you. You will get all and everything. To tell him. Because whatever worldly thing like that thinking, you will get all and everything. But knowledge, if we are not reported complete, then you have to research the other Guru.
What Michael says, I do agree with him, Maharajji. He says that the presence of Guru gives you complete peace. The aura of peace around Guru's presence is all abounding. But when the Guru is not in front, and he says that he is at a far off place in Germany, and there he get the same peace which he can get in the presence of a Guru as you are here at the moment.
Yeah.
What I mean to say is,
What we have to do, not phone you, make phone inside. Is this possible without telephone?
Michael is saying that what we need to do there to receive these radiations.
Radiation.
Yes. How he will get radiations there. Yes.
Radiation everywhere. Radiation is everywhere. His Guru suppose die, his radiation is here. He has gone. But whatever he said, whatever he ideas, that is in the worldly earth everywhere and is in the sky. They never die like that. So you see, you can get the radiation if you know the law of the radiation. How radiation go up and how it come back like that. Understand? The radiation you can get from the air. You have a photo of the Guru and you see his face this like that, that radiation of his will come there. But in the beginning, in the beginning for this knowledge, the Guru should be in life, man. If you have gone Guru, suppose they died, and you take him, you won't get anything. In the Guru's time, you understood all and everything. You need not for that. Guru brought you knowledge, and knowledge he told you all and everything. Did not keep anything secret. You are free. Then you need not always with him. He is not at one place, everywhere. He is everywhere, here, there. Suppose sun is there. Sun is up in the place. And his rays go there. Rays go everywhere. What sun do, so the rays are doing. Sun is not go. So radiation go everywhere, and everywhere there is. Suppose there is no sun, then from where radiation come? If suppose that whatever be, suppose grow the harvest, and that is the dry room, luck, you won't get any corn without sun's ray. So sun presence is very necessary for the beginning. But when sun comes and your harvest is ripen, or sun suppose not come out, don't bother to ripen. भाई हार्वेस्ट पूरी हो गई है, ख़त्म हो गया, जो फसल बोई है, वट एवर यू बो, so is ready. अब need not for sun. If you get all the knowledge what Guru have, you need not go there. Guru is always, you think that he never die. He is always there, everywhere, in everybody. He is in me. He never die. Understood?
Yes, understood.
Yeah, you tell me what.
I will
No,
give
you
my
tell- you
example.
tell what you
Yes,
yes.
I will give my example. Most of the time I remain in remembrance of Maharaj Ji when he is here or he is in the Churu. Most of the time. But sometime I forget this, that I am having a true master. Then I recall it, the knowledge of Maharaj Ji, that Manoj, you are not a body, you are not a mind, you are he, part of his. And then immediately his remembrance, his Sumran comes to me easily. I do nothing for that. But sometime I forget this. I know that this is happening with me. Then I think, oh, it's because of my bad luck. It's because of my past karmas, bad karmas. For some time I forget this. Knowingly I know that this is going something wrong and I am not able to cross that. So this is because of our past karmas that we forget our true master. So it has to be like this. So when we pay the debt, when we what we have done to others and what others have done to us, we will stay there. Till then we can try. There is no other solution.
You understand what he said? I could not understand.
Yes. So knowledge is not only intellectual knowledge, it's the inner experience, and true master is the sound. Is it like this? True master is the light and sound. But you transport this, we connect this, remembering you is connecting us with light and sound.
Yes, Michael is saying that radiations doesn't mean the true master's form, physical form. It means the light and sound also giving us the radiation. The sound is the true master. But my dear friend, we are not in the light. We are not qualified for the light and sound. So till then what to do? We have to remember, we have to be in remembrance of the true master, that he is all and everything. Then what will happen? His radiation will start coming to our mind and that will guide us. Yes, you do not do this, you do this. This is not okay. This is called wisdom, Vivek. Then Vivek will guide you in the form of true master, which is giving you the knowledge. So till the moment you reach in the light and sound, you have to be with true master. There is no other method.
Okay. One question I have.
Yes.
From where the light and sound come?
The spirit which we are, myself, we make that. we create that.
Light and sound you create. So you are more than light and sound. Light and sound you create.
So his main question is that in your presence he is getting radiation. It's very easy. But what to do when he go back home?
I am everywhere. I am everywhere. God is not one place, not here. He is everywhere. Everywhere. Where you go, there is. Where you remember, there he will present.
In short, is that your desire will take you there. What you want, you will reach there, but it will take time. Because everything takes time. So if you have deep desire to reach there, you will get that.
The complete faith. Desires can take you here and there also.
Faith is all other thing. Faith means that kind of whatever you believe and think, so you will get. That is Siddhi. Yes. In your faith is power, what you want so you get, but not knowledge. Knowledge is something else. Karma yoga, bhakti yoga. So this is bhakti yoga, faith. And the last is the Jnana yoga. Jnana yoga is all and everything. Knowledge is all and everything. Do you understand this? So knowledge is all and everything, and the reality is that God is not here. Everywhere is there. In this world, everywhere you go, if you remember, there He will present. If you remember in the shape of the Isamasi, Isamasi will come. If you remember the me, I shall come to you. So what is the real thing? Real you. The power is in you. You are God. Already the power is in you. You forget about it. That I am God. Understood? You are the creator of the light and sound and all and everything. Believe that like that. The belief to the faith is the bhakti yoga. He do nothing. Surrender, and he will get whatever you like.
You know what is the problem I see now? We all believe in you. We not believe in us because we don't know who we are. We only see our mind, but we not see what is behind that we are a spirit. So everybody believes in you because you are a good example. You realized what is yourself and what is God.
What is it?
And we not believe in ourself because we don't know what is ourself. We only see our mind. That is the problem.
Yes, Michael is saying that I have experience, I know my body and I know my mind, but I don't have experience of light and sound. So it's not possible for us to remain in that I'm what I am.
Light and sound is an impression given by the outside Guru Master, out Master. That when you concentrate here, then you realize the light. Here sound, this and that. This is impression given by the perfect Master. Actually, whatever you bring the light and sound, that is you. That power is in you. And you accepted His word. Okay, you see light and sound. For the salvation, you have to give up all light and sound. That is the go do that. At last, you come the last time sound, and you follow that. Then you reach. For salvation purpose, at last you reach that. But to create you, creator you, light and sound and all everything we had you. You are the God of the goddess, and you do not know about it. Do you see? You are the part of super being, and you do not. You forget that. You forget that there is no radiation, nothing, anything. And when you remember, He is always with you. When you remember somebody, then whatever His radiation will come to you. When you believe that God is with me, automatically you will be with Him. In whatever form you accepted Him. Because He has no form, but you have to make one. Suppose there is no God, but you make one. You are the God, you are the God, you are the God. It is just power. Whatever He wants, He will get.
Ever since I met you in Jaipur, and it is not a very long time, Manoj, I was telling, for last 15 years he is with you, so he must be more realized. He must have got more experience in your company and in your discourses. But me, a little time. And many times a great state of disturbance of mind. I remember you. When I'm sleeping night, I remember you, and I simply say only this thing. Param Sant Captain Lalchandji Maharaj. I chant it about 50 times, and while doing it, I go to sound sleep. This is not once. It has become many times with me. Earlier, as I used to ask you on telephone, Maharajji, at times I am not in a position to sleep a very sound sleep. Then I decided to chant your name only, but continuous, and without any disturbance, I go to a very sound sleep. So what you are asking him, you are in Germany. Just remember him. Just remember him, and you will find the answer. I have found the answer that way.
Understood?
Thank you very much. Yes.
Nothing good, nothing bad as you think, so it is. Nothing good, nothing bad as you think, so it is. Whatever he thinks, so you get. Suppose that there is one gentleman, and you say you are very bad man, this and that, you are not good. And he is bad for you. You are thinking bad, he is bad. And when you go his family, then family wife say, please sit down. First take food and say, Papa, Papa, Papa. It means that you are not bad man. Otherwise they also say bad man. But it is about the thinker. First time you are a bad man. So for his eye, it is his manyata, not all. Not what is there. You are not bad man. Nothing good, nothing bad as you think, so it is. So in your thought, power is in your thought. In you, original you. What you are, I cannot describe you. What are you? I cannot write on the paper. Because you are Akkaya, Apar, Agadhanami. The qualification of the Supreme Being is this, so that is for you. What is the spirit is what? So in last there is one Jivan Sutra, that when you know yourself, then you know all everything. When you know yourself, what I am, then you know all everything. And to realize that is very easy thing. The perfect master will see your ability, according to that he will give you knowledge, and concentrate here, whatever you want. This is pleasure, very near. You are not sleeping here, there, and that is guardian gift. In 2 minutes you sleep. But you are talking, you are in conscious state. I mostly time live in that state. Mostly time live in that state, and you will live in that. So regarding God, you are telling, you are all and everything. You are God yourself. Some things like that, everything goes from there. He took me that he is super being. So I am super being for him, but not for you. But it is very difficult to think like that. There is so many weakness. So always we see the dark side of the man, not bright side. So always see the bright side of everything. And always a positive idea. Always try your best to know. You forget sometime. And when you remember that thing, no problem at all. You are all and everything. In your thinking is so stage, in your belief is very high power, and you don't know. You forget at that time. So many problems come, this and that, how to solve this, how to solve. And when you believe, oh, God will complete it. God is with me. And gone all. Understood?
Yes.
You yourself is he is Supreme Being, a part of Supreme Being, not whole. In a miniature level, you are the same as the God is. Understood? So you yourself is whatever radiation, you remember that radiation is there. To whom you remember safe. So all radiation is there, spread here and there, the sky come to you. I wrote the book. I had no knowledge about the book. And what to write, I had no knowledge. This, Dr. Kamla told me one time, why are you giving in the ear? You give some record so that the coming generation will get benefit for it. I do not understand. because he had seen so many sant and listened to so many sant, and what I was telling some difference from that. If you note what I am telling is not telling, you can pray any sant, if you tell like me, you tell me. He is telling the thing, but what I am telling, you are all and everything. No sant say like that. I realize that all thing.
No, sant. Accept you and forgive and leave.
So you are all and everything, and try to better you know yourself, and you know by the knowledge, get knowledge, and knowledge I have given, written all the knowledge and given to you, totally, not to keep anything secret. To find the books I have said, Lal Kamal, Sahajyog, Sukhivan Garase, you go through like that.
Maharaji, I had a teacher in Germany, and it was the same like you says, a yogi, old yogi, German yogi. And when I was near him, was the same, was so much
You will get all everything.
what bliss and light. And he said, that's not from me, it's from you, he said. He said the same, Michael, it's you, it's from you.
I promise you that where you will remember, I shall be with you. For what your scarcity or anything, trouble, you remember me. I shall help you.
Okay, thank you.
I am saying this.
Yes,
Huh?
I have seen that.
Huh.
I have seen that. Just have faith and remember him with your heart. Full concentration. At times you can weep also. He is there.
But I am saying that when you say you came with the white by this trouble, this and that, you present at that time, I say I was nothing. But you are right. Because you took me like that, so you are right. But I don't know about it. But for you, I promise you that I shall be with you. If you have faith, believe pakka, then already everything with the always. Where you in trouble, he comes good sense or put you go for trouble. Anybody will come help you. It is your faith.
Yes.
It is your belief. I gave this word that I shall be with you, and you say, Guruji is always with me. He is always. Nowadays, Guruji's name is bad name in bad sense. So avoid that name. God is with me. God is with me. So about God, people have no knowledge. Where he is? I am telling that he is there in you, but none is tell like that. Understood? To your own work, but not to tell other. You keep it secret. Tell to me. Because if you tell other, then they come to the land, and I do not come. And he is in the, doubt that he do the right. I don't do. This is for you. So what you want, you think that, oh, I am sorry, what to do? Automatically, I will come to you. That is radiation. That radiation come and create this situation, so you will get all everything. And you take the book, and the books will come, we translate the book, try to translate and send to you. You load them on the YouTube, so that Western countries, the people who do not know Hindi, they will get. Because my book is written in Hindi, so that is I am going to give you again to translate them to give you.